back with another video. I'm back with another video. Come on now. I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. Come on now.
Hey family, I'm back. I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. Come on now. Come on now. Hey family, how are y'all doing? Boss Mom is back with another video, and today I will be having some pizza tacos. You know, the little circle taco shells. Yes, family. So how y'all been doing, family? I hope everybody's been having a blessed and positive day. And I hope y'all ain't been letting nobody steal y'all joy. Don't let nobody steal y'all joy, because Boss Mom ain't gonna let nobody steal her joy. I love y'all so much. I thank y'all for all the love, support, positive comments. I thank y'all for sharing my videos. And welcome to my new subscribers. I see y'all as well. Y'all are my soul family. So I'm about to say my grace and I'm about to get into it. Let me move this plant over. Keep hitting my arm. Amen. I'm starving. I ain't lying. I am. Oh, did I show y'all the family? Look. God, I'm hungry. Can't wait to eat these tacos. Family, how y'all day been going? Mine's been going good. As long as I got some food, I'm good. For real. I'm good. Family. I still want me some Indian food. I guess I'm gonna have to make that ride. That's an hour away from where I'm at. But I want to taste it. And there ain't no Indian restaurant nowhere closer. I'm gonna have to look and see. Is it somewhere closer? Cause I want to try this this is some chicken they got. It's some type of sauce, some orange sauce with the bread. Family. I know people ain't know I eat like this, but that's why growing up, I ain't stay at nobody's house. Because I know me. Sometimes I might want to get up and get me a snack, you know, or two. You can't do that at everybody else's house. Yeah, I be talking about you. Damn. That girl ain't staying in my house no more. That girl was up at 1 o'clock in the morning in the refrigerator fixing her a sandwich or eating some cereal. That's why I ain't never stayed in nobody's house. And I know back then, some parents used to shut their kitchen down at a certain time. At a certain time, they'd be like, I can't go in the refrigerator, or we can't eat after this time. My mama ain't never do that. Or they'd be like, oh, that's my mama ham, or no, we can't eat that. We can't drink that. Oh no. I can't steal people's house like that. Everything, you can't eat this, or you can't, no, we can't eat this, or the kitchen closed at 9. What? Oh no. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I stay my buns right at home where I can go in the refrigerator at what time, whenever I want to go in there. It won't no set time to stay out the kitchen. And I might want to get up, eat me a bowl of cereal or something. Can't even do that because you wait somebody else out. Mm-mm. You feel me, family? Have y'all ever been to somebody's house? I mean, your kin folks or whatever, whoever house, your friend house, and they tell you, you be like, can you have something to drink? And they be like, it's in the refrigerator. They be like, oh no, you can't drink that. That's my sister's, or oh no, you can't drink that. We ain't gonna open that up until later on. I gotta go. I have been to people's houses like that. I have opened some up, and they be like, who opened that Minute Maid up? You want to open that up to the mom? I'm like, oh my God, I opened it up. And I'm like, I opened them. They're like, well, we don't open it. I'm like, oh no, I ain't coming over here no more. Nope. Y'all can have a whole Minute Maid. Cause it ain't that serious, gonna get drunk up anyway. But that's how some people run their household. Me, my kids can go in the refrigerator anytime they want to. I don't care. Go in there and get whatever y'all want to get. I don't care. Drink whatever y'all want to drink. Because we're going to drink it up anyway. That's why my buns always stayed at home. And now as a grown up, oh, I ain't saying nobody out. Cause for one, I be missing my bed. After 2 days that I stayed in a hotel, I'm like, I'm ready to go home. I want to lay in my bed. I want to go in my bathroom. I be ready to go. I'll get homesick. There ain't nothing like your bed, your own bed. Ain't nothing like your own home, you know? Do what you want to do. Walk around the house how you want to walk. You know what I'm saying? That freedom. But when you're living with other people, ain't none of that. You gotta obey by their rules. I think you're going up in them people's house and run there. People be really thinking they can come in your house and run your household. Mm-mm. It's not gonna happen over here. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Now I see what my mama talking about. I used to see what my mama talking about. She said, you ain't coming up in here running now. Mm-mm. It's mad. My mama used to be like, and y'all ain't gonna sleep up in here all day either. Ain't nobody tell y'all to come in the house at 3 o'clock this morning. Mm-mm. Get up, make that bed up, come in here, wash dishes in the sink. We getting up in here. Ain't no laying down up in here all day. My mama used to play, just be like, mm-mm. Mm-mm. Ain't nobody tell you to been out there drinking all night. Get up. Who? Especially when I had my son, she be like, Shanice. Mm-mm. Come in here, get out there. I had that boy the whole night. Mm-mm. And then try to sneak back in the house like at 3, 4 o'clock. Who? My mama waiting on me. You heard me? My mama waiting on me with Isaiah, my son, in her hand, like, at the kitchen table like this. And she used to look at me. She be like, I ain't keeping them no more. I'm not keeping them no more. But she was just saying that, I guess, just to scare me. She be like, I ain't keeping them no more. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, Shanice. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. And you got to go to work at 7. What is your problem? I just be like, oh my God. That's when I was out here. My mama used to do that, family. I ain't lying. I used to come in the house at 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. But I used to laugh because I'm thinking my son sleep. I'm thinking my mama sleep. You know, I'm like, okay, I can go in there and take me a shower and take me a quick nap before I go to work at 7. Who? Mm-mm. No. Ain't no sleeping. Get your son. Yep, family. Four. I thought I was gonna eat all 4 of them, but I'm done. I'm done with that. Woo! Damn, I'm full. That was good, though. That was good. But family, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to all of my videos. And just to know, Boss Mama love y'all so much.